Hello students, let us summarize this skit. That means a battle to baffle. Baffle means already I told you it's confusion. Battle means what? War. Means let me explain afterwards what does it mean. Let me summarize this one. Before summarizing, let me introduce the characters. Tenali Raman, a witty means humorous poet, jester in the court of emperor. Jester means what? Historically, a professional whose duties include entertaining the court of the king. Krishnadevaraya, emperor of Vijayanagar Empire, lived between 1509 to 1529. Pandit Shahane is was a highly learned visiting scholar. Mantriji means was the chief minister, and 8 to 10 other courtiers or ministers or scholars were there. Then the courtroom of the scene starts in the courtroom of Krishnadevaraya. He was the emperor who is seated on his throne. Courtiers, scholars, ministers are seated in 2 rows facing one another and discussing softly. A Battle to Baffle is a drama script based on one of Tenali Raman's many tales of humor and wit. In this story, the emperor and his advisors received news from the minister that a very famous Pandit Shahane, had come to visit Vijayanagar and challenge the intellectuals of the kingdom in the competition of supremacy. On hearing that Pandit Shahane was a master of the scriptures, means all the religious books, all the advisors of the emperor's court became so fearful and nervous that they refused to accept the challenge. When all courtiers refused to accept the challenge, who became ready? Let us see. Not willing to risk their reputation, they suggested that Tenali Raman be chosen to battle the Pandit. Tenali Raman accepted the challenge without hesitation and assured the emperor that he would not disappoint the court. However, he had one condition, that he may be honored and accepted as the chief Pandit on the day of the competition. His request is granted. On the day of the competition, the minister introduces the Pandit with high praise, calling him the pride of India, followed by a grand introduction to Tenali Raman, who he states is the greatest of the great scholars of Vijayanagar. Tenali then enters in a box-like structure carried on the shoulders of bearers, holding 2 long poles as a part of his grand entry. 2 Pandits then place a bundle of silken cloth next to him. Tenali Raman then asked Pandit Shahane to begin the battle by discussing Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana. The Pandit is shocked because he has never heard of this scripture and hence cannot discuss it. He ultimately surrenders and leaves. The emperor praises Tenali and asks him the meaning of the scripture. Tenali then explained that the word til means sesame, kasta means sticks. Therefore, Tilakashta refers to the sticks of sesame that he had with him in the silken cloth. Moreover, Mahisha means buffalo and Bandhana means rope, and thus Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana means the buffalo rope tied to the sesame sticks. That thus he had just made up a scripture and confused the Pandit. But the Pandit's pride was so hurt that he left in a hurry. On hearing Tenali's master plan and how he managed to outwit the Pandit, the emperor and the others laughed and they became very happy. That means we have to understand from this humorous skit that pride is dangerous. One should not have too much pride. And in every part of life, when we face the problematic situation, we can tackle that problematic situation by using our simple skit tricks. Okay.